So I just took a magazine here and I'm just trying to clean off the terminals here. And as you can see, the corrosion comes away fairly easily. I could do this, and you can see the LED is starting to flicker. It wants to work. And I also have some steel wool that I can take, but now if I try, okay, I'm still not having success. So I still have a loose connection of some sort. So I'm just gonna clear this out and make sure that the connections are good. I'm gonna try it again in terms of turning it on and off. So I still don't quite have it. So I think what I might need to do here is just follow things all the way from the battery. This is the battery connection side. That looks fairly clean. So I'll make sure I have 3 volts there and then follow it up. And for those of you that might not know, this is called a voltmeter. You can pick one of these up at a Harbor Freight, usually for free or sometimes for $5. So I'm checking from here to here, and you can see I'm getting 2.95. So I know I'm getting the voltage there. But if I look at what's coming across, this from here to here, I am not getting that voltage. And so I've got a slight issue here. Oh, there we go. Looks like I got enough corrosion out. Okay, so this is now working. So that's all it took, was just a little bit of cleanup. I'm gonna get some steel wool and I'm gonna clean this off a little bit more and then package it back together, and hopefully I don't get batteries that corrode and we're good.